2009 to 2022. This will be the last official tour of the video studio, as I am officially leaving this location. This will not be the last video in here. There will probably be at least a month or so worth of videos to be recorded in here still, but I'm going to be starting to dismantle this place, so I wanted to get some video of it before it is no longer recognizable as what it once was. It's sad, but it also is very exciting, and it's a relief, because I have really outgrown this area, and I've outgrown living here, so it is absolutely time to move on. I would go as far as to say it is past due to move on, but there's definitely a lot of sentimental value here to this studio, because this studio really housed the birth of my phone collection and the major expansion of my fan collection, and of course the creation of the channel and the maintenance of the channel over the last 8 years. I'm not really sure what to say about this, really. It's weird. It's a very weird feeling. But anyways, we'll start over here. This is the, I guess what we would call like the office portion of the studio. Have the computer over here. And this has all looked very different over the years. Before I leave, I should do an archives video on this. But I'm gonna be using a lot of this furniture in the house, so I have to really kind of get this stuff starting to clear out so that I have the furniture freed up. This is where thousands of videos were recorded. One of the videos that I had wanted to do, which I don't know if I'm going to end up doing in there or not, is I had wanted to do a video tour of with the way the tools was set up, and I just never did. There's a couple of videos that a couple of video requests that are required, that they require this location, and I'm trying to do those videos before leaving. You know, because I could always do a tool tour video at the new location when, you know, the board is 3 times as big and all the vintage tools I have in that box are now out and easily accessible, and so forth. Well, yeah, this is what it looked like. This is how I lit it up. I had all these funny, I think all 3 of these light fixtures, I guess there's only 2 of them here. Both of these light fixtures came out of the trash, and they have served faithfully and reliably to illuminate videos for several years. honestly, a good 4 or 5 years now. I've had these fixtures here. Most of the bulbs are even the same. The hanging basket to collect the water. Ringer that never works. The Cool Czars clock. Almost everything in here will be coming. That switch plate will be coming. That used to be in my grandmother's kitchen. That'll be coming. These posters will be coming. Pretty much everything is going to come. That's an artifact from the first house. That'll come, of course. Well, I guess that's it for this video. I don't really know how to narrate this one. It's kind of a weird one. But on to bigger things, on to better things. This was a great studio. This is a lot of information, a lot of knowledge, a lot of learning experiences. A lot of good memories in here over the years. All the different designs that this room had. But it's time to move on.